The Karen Read case finally reached its dramatic conclusion. After 7 weeks of testimony and more than 20 hours of jury deliberation, Karen Read was found not guilty of second-degree murder, manslaughter, and leaving the scene of an accident that resulted in death. But she was convicted of operating under the influence, OUI, with a blood alcohol level over the legal limit. This was the second trial, after the first ended in a deadlock last year. The case gripped Boston, and legal fans everywhere, because of its wild twists and emotional courtroom moments. The prosecution claimed Read, driven by jealousy and fueled by alcohol, struck her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe, with her SUV during a snowstorm, then left him to die. Witnesses said they heard her admit, "I hit him," the morning his body was discovered, but the defense flipped the script. They argued there was no car collision, pointing to the lack of crash injuries on O'Keefe's body. Instead, they painted a picture of a botched investigation, suggesting O'Keefe was attacked inside a house after a party, and even floated the possibility of a dog attack. They called out police corruption and sloppy work, creating doubt after doubt. When the verdicts were read, Karen Read broke down in tears, her supporters cheered, and the victim's family was left shaken.
On docket number 2282CR117001, murder in the second degree, what say you? Is the defendant at the bar guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
So say you, Mr. Foreman? So say you? No. Do you agree?
Yes.
Do all of you agree?
Yes.
Thank you. 002, what say you? Is the defendant at the bar not guilty or guilty?
Not guilty.
Of.
Is not guilty or guilty of that charge or any lesser included charge? Thank you. Specifically number 5, operating under the influence of liquor by operating a motor vehicle with a blood alcohol level of 0.08 or greater. Correct?
Yes.
So say you, Mr. Foreman?
Guilty.
So say you all?
Yes. Guilty.
003, what say you? Is the defendant at the bar leaving the scene after accident resulting in death? Is the defendant not guilty or guilty?
Not guilty.
So say you, Mr. Foreman?
Yes.
So say you all?
Yes.
Jurors, hearken your verdict as the court records that you upon your oath say the defendant on 001 is not guilty, on 002 is guilty of operating under the influence of liquor, and 003 not guilty. Thank you.
The judge handed her a standard sentence for the OUI probation, treatment, and a suspended license. But the questions aren't over. The verdict has sparked new investigations into local police and even led to a detective being fired. For now, Karen Read is free.
I just want to say 2 things. Number 1 is I could not be standing here without these amazing supporters who have supported me and my team financially and, more importantly, emotionally for almost 4 years. And the second thing I want to say is no one has fought harder for justice for John O'Keefe than I have and my team. Thank you.
But this case will be debated for years to come. Drop your thoughts in the comments section and don't forget to subscribe for more legal news.